everyone. I'm just making this a quick video. I showed you guys how to incubate eggs, and now I'm going to show you the process of candling eggs. It's been about a week now. Yeah, just about a week. Close to a week. So, if they are fertile, we will be able to see the veins now inside of them. As I mentioned before in the last video, the candler is really good on this incubator, so let's check the fertility of the zombie eggs. So, number 1, no good. If it's day 7 and you just see yolk floating around, no good. Okay, so we'll remove that. Good. That's how they should all look. I'm going to candle all of them. Good. Good. So you don't want to be incubating nothing. So far we're looking really good. Good. This just helps so you know what to look for and the general look of what it should be on day 7. Yeah, we're looking really great. Gonna have lots of little baby zombie chicks here soon. Okay, not good. There's nothing in here. Good. Not good. Good. Not good. The only thing I can think is maybe those ones were too old because my zombies are typically pretty good. Okay. So we pulled out 4. And the rest are all fertile. So like I said, just a quick video. I'm gonna top this up with some water, and I will see you guys again at lockdown with the zombie eggs.